Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about one of the most trusted names in the commuter motorcycle segment, the 2026 Honda Unicorn 160. So this bike has always been known for its smooth performance, strong reliability, and comfortable riding experience. And the 2026 model takes that legacy even further, with subtle updates and modern features that suit today's riders. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 160cc continues with its clean and mature design that appeals to daily commuters as well as long-distance riders. Honda has kept the styling simple yet premium, with a muscular fuel tank, elegant graphics, and a solid road presence. The new color options and refreshed decals give the bike a fresh look, while still maintaining the classic Unicorn identity. The build quality feels strong, and the overall finish reflects Honda's reputation for durability. At the heart of the 2026 Honda Unicorn is a refined 160cc single-cylinder engine that focuses on smooth power, delivery, and fuel efficiency. This engine is designed for city traffic as well as highway cruising, offering linear acceleration and minimal vibrations. Honda's engineering ensures the engine runs quietly and stays reliable even after long-term use. Whether you are commuting to work or heading out on a weekend ride, the Unicorn delivers a stress-free riding experience. One of the strongest points of the 2026 Honda Unicorn 160cc is its ride comfort. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and well-cushioned seat make long rides comfortable for both rider and pillion. The suspension setup absorbs bumps and rough roads with ease, making it ideal for daily use on varied road conditions. This bike truly shines when it comes to comfort, especially for riders who spend hours on the road. In terms of features, the 2026 model comes with practical updates that enhance everyday usability. The instrument cluster provides clear information, and Honda has focused on safety with features like a reliable braking system and improved stability. The bike feels balanced and easy to handle, even for new riders. Its lightweight nature and smooth clutch operation make riding in traffic effortless. Fuel efficiency remains one of the key reasons people choose the Honda Unicorn. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 160cc continues to deliver impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective option for daily commuting. With rising fuel prices, this bike offers peace of mind by keeping running costs low without compromising performance. Overall, the 2026 Honda Unicorn 160cc is a perfect blend of comfort, reliability, and efficiency. It may not be the flashiest bike in the segment, but it excels where it matters most. If you are looking for a dependable motorcycle that offers smooth performance, excellent comfort, and long-term reliability, the 2026 Honda Unicorn 160cc is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle updates.